Are you the lucky owner of the Sony A7R3? If you are, get your calendar out, scratch off today because you have a firmware update. Go to the Sony website of your choice. For example, this is the US website and we're downloading version 1.10 for the A7R3. Now, when you download this, please use the USB cable that came in the box with your camera. And most important of all, patience. Seen so many people think that it's all done, switch the camera off, and you've just got yourself an A7R3 paperweight. Not good, have to send it back, no one wants that. But what does it do? Well, rumour has it that your eye autofocus is going to be just that little bit improved. It also has loads of other improvements. The overall stability of the camera, they say, but what that really means is they're fixing a load of things that they got wrong in the first place. Makes improvement for a condition where the IAF does not work in certain camera settings. There's a lot of complaints that the A7 III is not working correctly with eye autofocus. Debatable. Let's look at that in a future episode. Adds support for bracketing during silent shooting with uncompressed RAW. Very nice. 2. Add support for tuning of the peaking display level for S-Log shooting. Makes improvement for a condition where the IF does not want to go in the settings. Yes, we know that one. Makes improvement for a condition where viewfinder brightness is not reflected correctly in the manual settings. As you can see, it's all stuff that you absolutely need. It's 283.92 of your megabytes. Get it downloaded, and what do you do? Well, you need to just relax a little bit here because you don't want to get this wrong. Read these instructions extremely carefully, and most important of all, take your time. Read through them. There's no rush for it. Don't do it 10 minutes before you've got to take little Johnny to school because it isn't going to go well. And once it's done, leave me a comment and let me know that you didn't brick your camera. And as usual, it's been emotional.